Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore backup on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Okay, so let's begin. First, let's go into WhatsApp. Click on agree and continue. Type your number over here. Click on next. Click on continue. Again continue. Click allow. And now you have restore your charts. And then simply click restore. Wait for the process is finished. Please make sure that you're using the same Google account, which is over here. And then click on next. Type your name. And as you can see, all of the chats have been restored. And that's the whole process. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and comment.